put the tester on and see if that's pumping out anything from charging, like. Could be the battery's fucked. That's a few years old now. Eat the Tesla! She's a pop banging too. I have got plugs and an air filter to put on next weekend, hopefully. Now I've just filled the bloody tank up and we're going to have to lift that off. Good idea, David. Well done. Well thought out. But then I did think that I was going to do the Copdog Road. Sean, your road is closed. Probably chipping it, aren't they? Don't know. Who cares? Yeah, usually if you do a couple of hot cold cycles the light goes out, but that came on when what would it have been, when we came back from where did we go last time? Copdog show, wasn't it? No, not the Copdog show, Stonham Barn show. Morning. Yeah, but it didn't start this morning, and it didn't start when I just put a tenner's worth in at Tesco's. So there's definitely something occurring. Oh dear. I thought I'd had it sussed